bluesy, so I think Justin should play the solo. That's what I think, but he didn't want to last night. No? Okay. I think he should. I'm sorry I can't always be there. I know how you worry and how you get scared and how you don't like living in Stockton, being away from me. But the pine just got the way. But the pain and the and the weight just means, and the pain just means that I love you.
Got my knees on that
Thank you.
one. I've been practicing that part all day, and I did it right.
It's difficult.